Okay, here at Import Auto with a Honda that keeps leaving its family stranded due to a dead battery. Tested the battery, everything's good. However, there is a parasitic draw. So using the latest technology with a thermal imager, we're actually able to locate the fuse that is hot or live all the time. You can actually see the difference between body temperature and one red glowing hot fuse compared to everything else while the ignition is off. So at this point, once we remove that fuse, we'll find the component that is causing all the grief. Have a great day.